That's awesome. You ready to open them?
Yes.
Yeah, are you so excited?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay, let's go. We're ready to open. Go ahead, bud. So this is a Driven by Battat set.
Yeah.
And it's a bunch of mini cars with a little track, huh? There's 57 pieces in it.
Uh-oh. There you go.
So it has a little bridge part, huh?
Mm-hmm.
And then a bunch of little vehicles. Let's go ahead and take them all out. Okay, so here are all the track pieces.
Yep.
And Audi is starting to build the bridge.
Yep. And those being because those are the special pieces that make it together. Yeah.
So it has a little bridge. Now he's setting up all the safety signs.
Actually, the wheels are real.
The wheels really work?
Yeah.
That's pretty
But
cool.
they're real.
That's awesome.
The wheels are real.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So this is the whole setup. It has all the little vehicles on it.
I'm back. Go backwards. I can go backwards, okay? Come on, back up, Jack. Oh no. Yeah, go the big way, though. This way, guys, this way. Up. Up. Oh, no, the sign. No, the sign.
Would you like to open the 2 extra surprise trucks?
Yep.
Yeah, and then you can play with them all together?
I just want to play for just a little bit.
Okay, sounds good.
I got you.
Okay, so we have a black and an orange one, and we have Series 1 and Series 2. Go ahead. What's in there?
I got extra track.
They have extra track in there?
Yes. And extra more track. Yeah, more extra track.
Oh, you can build more?
And I got another one.
Oh, now you have 2. You can share one with your brother, huh?
Yes.
What's in that one?
And more track.
So each of the little boxes come with extra tracks.
And I got a green.
You don't have a green one, do you?
No.
That's fun.
And I got a pass sign.
So this would be a really good truck to do little Thomas minis on.
Oh.
That's so you can mark it off.
So you can connect the garages to the track.
Yeah.
Like this. I'll show you.
Okay. So he's attaching his garages, so now that they can
That's
go into a garage. That's pretty cool, huh?
beep, 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 beep. Ah, okay.
Backwards, go backwards. There's a traffic jam. Uh-oh, how are they gonna get out of this one? Back your bulldozers up.
Okay. Okay, go this way. Again, start again. Okay. Run around. Run around up to the hill. Okay. Very well. Go down. Beep 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 beep. Beep beep. Beep 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 beep. Beep 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 beep. Beep beep beep. Whee! Ah,
That's fun.
then you go backwards. May. May. Okay. Okay, I'll help you. I can't help you. I'm too heavy. At least that's cause off the truck on the grass. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe.
He means make sure to like and subscribe. Yeah? Thumbs up?
Yeah.
Thumbs up. There we go.